Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and an easy to follow tutorial on Bigo Live. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play games on Bigo Live, so please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open Bigo Live on your device and log in. On the home page, tap the video icon at the bottom center. And on the live page, swipe left to get to the Game Live page. Next, add a title to your chat. And tap Choose Games. You can now select the game you want to play. Finally, tap Go Live to broadcast yourself playing the game. And that's how you play games on Bigo Live. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.